Hi, my name is Paul Fotheringham. I'm the founder and CTO of LifePrints, and we're using 3 technologies to change lives.
There are an estimated 100 million landmines in the ground. Every 20 minutes, someone, somewhere, is injured or killed by an explosive remnant of war. Over 100,000 landmines are cleared in over 70 countries each year. However, ongoing conflicts increase this figure by approximately 1.9 million per year. Explosive remnants of war have far-reaching ramifications beyond just injury and death, in that they hinder access to food and water and prevent the repatriation of refugees to their home areas. Landmine clearing is expensive and dangerous. The UN estimates it would cost $50 billion to remove every landmine, and for every 5,000 landmines removed, a deminer will die. Many in-country mine risk education programs exist to educate communities on the dangers of unexploded devices and how to report them to the relevant authorities. However, they are largely ineffective due to factors such as inaccurate paper-based representations of landmines, lack of tangibility, lack of consistency in appearance, and high manufacturing times and costs. The use of 3D technologies offers a novel new way to increase the scope and effectiveness of mine risk education programs. 3D printers are used to create realistic replica landmines that are manufactured in-country at a fraction of the normal time and cost. 3D LifePrints has been pioneering the way for the past 2 years by visiting conflict and post-conflict nations and using 3D scanning technology to build up an electronic catalog of the most commonly found landmines and ordnance across the globe. Once the scans are collected, the models are then readied for 3D printing, created in the country and organized into rugged box sets for the use in the field. The war in Syria has been ongoing for the past 5 years, has claimed the lives of over 400,000 people and displaced over half of the country. Over 30% of all ordnance dropped from warplanes did not detonate, and these devices frequently explode in urban environments, causing injuries and deaths to civilians. In collaboration with organizations such as the Syrian Civil Defense Force, or more commonly known as the White Helmets, 3D LifePrints have proven that the provision of 3D replica models is having a positive impact in reducing casualties through education. In 2017, 3D LifePrints is looking to increase its outreach and effectiveness for mine risk education programs in countries such as Syria and South Sudan, in order to combat the growing numbers of casualties from explosive remnants of war. Bombs are getting larger and more sophisticated, such as this general-purpose Russian bomb, often found in Syria and often unexploded. We have started our journey, but need to go bigger and faster. Only bigger 3D printers can meet such dimensions, which are needed to help organizations like the White Helmets disarming them safely. This project has support from a number of global private and NGO organizations, such as the International Committee of the Red Cross Weapons Contamination Department and the Danish Demining Group, as well as the United Nations Mine Action Service. In order to maximize the manufacturing capabilities of each location, larger and faster 3D printers are required, which would be ideally catered for a gigabot printer.
We at 3D LifePrints hope that Re3D will assist us in achieving our objectives of providing realistic training materials to fit any mine risk education programs and to continue to save lives.